Hi guys, this is my pehla first unboxing video on this channel and I am nervous also. Let's see how it goes. So now we are unboxing a Redgear gaming mousepad Speed Pro series, and there are two types, Speed Pro series and Control Pro series. Heavy textured wave, rubber base, smooth texture and rubber base. Okay, so let's see. This is red color MP35. So let's open it. So here it is. Yes, this is it. Is there anything else inside the box? Let me check it. Yes, there is one sticker of Redgear. I don't know where I would stick it, but it is. Okay, so let's put it aside. And is there anything else? No, nothing. So wow, very. I'm feeling it in my hands. It's very smooth. You can hear the voice. Symbol of Redgear, and as they told, rubber base. Very strong, I think it is. And while editing this video, I have kept the mouse at the same mouse pad. It is heavy too. I don't know exact weight, but it is heavy. You can see it.